Hello friends, welcome to my channel Media Creation Club with the latest updates. In this short video, I am going to show you how you can upload the videos from the PC on TikTok. As you know, yesterday I show you the how you can download the TikTok application and run TikTok on PC because we want to upload the long videos on TikTok. So how is it possible? So this video will help you how you can upload the TikTok videos from your PC. It's very simple. I will show you complete guide how you can upload, how you can post, how you can put the title, tag, all everything you can see in this video. So before we continue, if you are new in my channel, please don't forget to subscribe my channel, press the bell icon for the new updates. So let's begin to our topic. Okay friends, so now we are in the computer screen and then you can see here our TikTok application is already here. So we open our TikTok, we just pass, and then now you can see here on the top upload. We click the upload. Here you can see the interface now. Select the file and then file less than 2 GB. Then you can see you can drag and drop straight away or select the file, and then you can see here write the caption, your title, tags, or you want mention any person, and then this one will automatically, once you upload the video, you can get here the cover, and then here you can see who can view this video, friends, private or public, and then you can allow here user to comment, dude or stitch, and then you can also check the same like YouTube copyright check. So once you upload any video, you can directly check the copyright status, that anyone using your video or you use anyone's video, that TikTok will show you that one the copyright check. So first thing, we just select the file and then click open. So we wait for the uploading. Okay friends, so while it's uploading, we can put our title. I just copy paste my title and then put a space, and you can use also the hashtag. You can use the crafts. You can see here, choose crafts, because this video based on crafts, so I use the hashtags. So as you can see, our video already done. I just put some more tags. So our video is ready to post. Now you can choose here also the thumbnail. So you can see here, select any scene here to put your thumbnail or cover to show the people. So I use this one, and then now you can see here the privacy, so you can public, friends or private. So I just keep public, then comments also, and run a copyright check. It take the more than 1 minute, so we check there is any problem or how. So you can see here the same like YouTube, no issues detected, and then you can click the post your video. So I click post. So here is the example that how you can upload the long video from the PC on TikTok. So if I click the upload, so you can see here, this one is the actually new page I created on the TikTok. So you can see here our video is upload already, and then first video is before, there is 3 play and then 2 likes, like that. Okay friends, so hope this video is going to helpful for you. If you like this video, don't forget thumbs up, please subscribe my channel, press the bell icon for the new updates. So let's see you in the next video with the new updates. Thank you.